Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. It's a bit windy today. I'm at Anfield, my Anfield Road expansion update. So I'm going to take it easy today. I'm not going to fly too far away unless this wind settles down a touch. Get no warnings on my screen or they'll bring the drone straight back down again, so I'm going to see how it goes. So someone on cherry picker up here, so I'm going to concentrate on them first. Yeah, they put more trim up there, aren't they? Tidy that cladding up. Stay fixed on them for a second, see if the nitty gritty of it. Wind's settled down a touch now. Yeah, it's just a bit gusty, if you like. Yeah, thank you to everyone as well for the kind comments yesterday, you know, about little Amelia winning the prize and Paul Lorcan missing out by literally 60 seconds, but everyone wished him a happy birthday. He's been in touch, his mum and dad's been in touch, Amelia's dad's been in touch, and they've all been great. Yeah. And people, I know it's an unusual name, it's Lorcan, so it's L-O-R-C-A-N is his name. People call him Logan and other names, I think, yeah. But people were getting it right and saying Lorcan. So I just thought it was my pronunciation of it, but you know. Yeah, so he messaged me, said he had a great day yesterday, he was happy to have met me, and he had a good birthday, so yeah. And I think he appreciates everyone's birthday wishes as well. So thank you everyone for that. Oh, these two up here. Not quite sure because they're behind the wall. Yeah, and people going on about the negative comments that I get. You know what? Sometimes it's because I get so many good ones. It's unusual when I get a negative one, and you seem to focus on it. And it was just the one person, just the one comment, who wasn't happy about me doing the prize giveaway outside of Liverpool. I mean, you know, it's just because I was giving it away live in person. That's all, you know. And yeah. But I'm not going to give them any more airtime now, the negative ones, because people have said, you know, don't. So I won't. That's the last you'll hear of it. But the amount of positive comments, yeah, it's just unreal. Is there any signs of this badge going up? No, not yet. See, the gusts are back now. Still getting nothing on the screen saying that me drone's in trouble, and you can see it's holding its own in the air. When it settles down again, I'll go over the pitch. If there's anything people want to have a look at, let me know. I'm just going to go around the other side now and see if there's any more progress on the cladding part of it. Yeah, so the lads are up on a cherry picker there. Seeing what exactly, I'm not sure. Yeah, again, they're just securing it, aren't they, still? Must be painstaking for them. No one on the roof. Yeah, just someone over there. Hopefully sorting that little section out in that corner there where they're standing. That's been not been doing my OCD any good. It's a good little angle that though, and it shows the steepness of that. They jump up from roof to roof. And that's why they're on ropes, because I don't know, you didn't get a good scale of how steep it was, but there it looks like a wall. We've settled down, so I'm going to go over the pitch just for a quick look, see if there's anything. Get a little bit higher. No, even them two skips are still there. Is that new? What are these for? Is that a tanker? Who it is? What's it for? Cement? Even? I don't know. TARDIS. Right, so something's leading out and up into down the vomitory there, so is that pumping cement, anything like that? Does anyone know? Who's got fuel? What the fuel be for? Can't be cement, can it? Because it'll be a mixer on the back. Don't know, guys. Need your help. If anyone could let me know, I'll have a little look at here again. Any progress being made? So right, so yeah, they're doing something there. So where the seats end there, next to the stairs. Now where that void is, next to the stairs, after the seats, there's going to be some more seats there. A couple of hundred. That's what's going there, and then under it'll be rooms and stuff. You see down here is like a little tunnel. That's where all the, I don't know, that's where all the students and stuff come out when they start work. And could that possibly be a little camera gantry? This little jutting out bit here. I reckon it could be. So yeah, that's what's going to go there, and then the rest is just going to get cladded up into a corner. So a quick look at the lads here, then I'm going to get back over the park then, guys, just to oh, I've got these gusts. Yeah, it looks like there's something in that corner house. The lads in the audience, there's quite a bit going on here. Yeah, are they tidying up the edges there or something? Or the cladding? Yeah, so there's quite a lot of work going on site anyway. So I'm going to bring it more over. I'll try and get a look down at these lads in orange. Don't quite know what's going on. If anyone can help me out and let me know, that'd be great. They're well tied on there, they're well secured. Yeah. Gusts picking up on the ground again, so it'll be even worse in the air. So I'm going to get back over the park, guys, and I'll have a little look around the outside again. Still getting no warnings on the screen, but better safe than sorry. There we go, nice and low now. Let's see what's going on in this cherry picker. He's a painter. See all these, where it's white, that's all going to get painted grey. Yeah, so it sounds like a busy site this morning as well. There's quite a lot going on by the sound of it. A lot going on in this area. Dog just running around my feet. Oh, not much going on around here at all. Yeah, right, everyone, I'm going to leave it there. Yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. Right, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It slowed down a touch. It went really fast and then slowed down, but that's just YouTube for you. It's just the nature of the beast. But yeah, if you like the channel, please subscribe. I've done a video the weekend about Blitz Beach at Crosby. So that's something that interests you. There'll be a link at the end of this video. Maybe it's on now. Click on it, have a look at the video, let me know what you think. Give me your honest feedback. Anything else that you want to see, let me know. Historical wise or haunted history wise. Right, I'll leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching. Likes and comments are always appreciated. As always, look after yourselves and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.